In wartime, the destruction of various strategic targets can go a long way towards neutralizing the enemy's tactical advantage. Accurate long-range fire is necessary to eliminate high-value targets. Operational forces are soon rendered ineffective without the support of radar installations, communications equipment, aircraft, command centers, and fuel storage facilities. Effective elimination of these targets is best carried out swiftly and precisely, with a weapon that can fire explosive warheads with deadly accuracy. A weapon such as the NTW-20 anti-material rifle. The NTW-20 is aimed primarily for use by quick reaction, peacekeeping, and special operations forces to destroy high-value targets at distances beyond 1,000 meters. Its high accuracy minimizes the risk of collateral damage to surroundings. An adjustable bipod ensures that the NTW can be used on any terrain. The monopod can be adjusted to suit the operator. The trigger is fully adjustable and is fitted with a swing-out snow guard. The efficient recoil system reduces the high-velocity recoil, making the system very user-friendly without tactical restrictions. The recoil system consists of an efficient muzzle brake, a spring buffer, and 2 interchangeable hydraulic dampers. The barreled action and magazine are free to recoil in the frame of the weapon. The simple bolt action enhances ease of operation. The 20mm ammunition range includes practice training, high explosives for use on soft skin targets, and semi-armor piercing with base fuse. It took only 2 shots to destroy this reinforced railway sleeper. The high explosive projectiles enable instant spotting of the fall of shot, so that immediate corrections can be made. A 10 by 42 power telescopic sight with parallax adjustment facilitates aiming of the NTW. A bullet drop compensator, integral to the scope mount, enhances first shot capabilities at longer ranges. The NTW is designed to be fired left or right-handed, even in confined spaces. The gun can be configured in either 20mm or 14.5mm. 20mm or 14.5mm calibers can be selected depending on the mission and desired terminal effect. This configuration can be done in less than a minute without tools. The conversion requires that the barrel, bolt, magazine, and scope be replaced. A 12.7mm conversion kit is available for low-cost training and can be fired with or without a muzzle brake. An added advantage is that the rifle's major components remain standard. The barrel can be loosened and fastened with the aid of one of the rounds. The 3-shot magazine has been designed with a T-slot in the rear, which prevents the rounds from moving forward during recoil and prevents the 20mm fuse from being damaged. The characteristics of the 14.5mm round are very different to the 20mm. The 14.5mm ammunition comes in armor-piercing incendiary, with or without tracer. Due to the higher velocity and with a correspondingly flatter trajectory, it has a longer range than the 20mm round. The energy it produces is roughly twice that of the 12.7mm systems. This feature allows the user to tailor the configuration of the system prior to a mission, or use mixed teams to combine the benefits of both. The system is supplied with 2 backpacks. One accommodates the weapon receiver section, while the other contains all its ancillaries, including the barrel and ammunition. These allow the system to be carried into relatively inaccessible areas so that it can be deployed from the least likely or expected areas. The actual deployment and use of the system varies between different nations and depends on doctrine and philosophy, and most importantly, imagination. The weapon is suitable for a variety of missions and provides the user with a man-portable cannon capability in a rifle configuration.